Hi everybody, I'm Tyler Hall. I'm here with my wife Brittney Hall. Today we'll be taking you through a strength and conditioning workout that you can do at home without any gym equipment. So we will start with abs, and then we'll transition into lower body plyometrics style workouts, and then we'll conclude with upper body strength and balancing workouts along with the cool down. Bring your feet as close to your glutes as you can. With the right leg, bring it parallel to the left thigh. And we're going to take our hands straight up and reach for that right foot. 1. Try to control going down as best as you can. We're doing 10 each side. Next, we'll do an in-place running motion. It's part of our warm-up still. I'll do in-place running. Brittney will do an in-place marching motion. This will get us warmed a little bit more, and then we can move into our lower body workout. We'll start with a back lunge, front lunge for a single leg. We'll do 5 reps each leg, and then we'll transition to the other side. So let's get started. Alright, now we're moving into scissor jumps. We'll give you 3 variations. So the first one, which is Brittney will be doing, we'll start with the left foot in front of the right, and we'll dip down and just switch to alternate the feet. That's all you're doing right here. Next step is to give a quick switch, and you're turning the same foot back, so you're here. Third one is you're actually going to jump in the air as high as you can. So you'll switch in the air. Just like that. So whichever variation you decide to do, we're doing 5 on each side for a total of 10 reps. Ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Alright, so we're done with legs. We're moving on to upper body. We'll start out in a push-up position. So we'll do a traditional push-up, and after each rep, you bring the knee to elbow. Push-up, knee to elbow. Brittney will do a modified version on her knees. Same thing though, knee to elbow after each rep. We're going to do 10 of these. If you can't do 10, just do what you can. Alright, let's go. Next upper body exercise. We'll do another push-up, but with this variation, after each rep, you raise the right arm with the left leg. Brittney again will be doing a modified version on her knees. Again, we're doing 10 reps, but if you can't do 10 reps yet, do what you can. Let's go. Alright, we've completed our workout. Now it's time to move into our cool down. So let's pull this left leg across the right leg, and we're going to give it a big hug. And with this, we'll kind of rotate around on that bone to get a good stretch in that left glute. So up on the knees, shoulders back, reach back for those heels, and look to the sky. Pushing the hips forward to get a good stretch in the psoas and the hip flexors. And relax the head back. 5 breaths. So we'll lay flat on our belly, arms out to the side. Take your left leg, reach it behind the right, flip over, and you'll feel a good stretch across the chest. Alright, that does it. Thanks for joining us for our workout. If you have any questions for us, you can reach us at the social media sites below. And until next time.